back to school? Where is that small paper which you torn from your homework book? Oh, you rolled it and left it next to the bag. Hello, boy. You had a nice chocolate early in the morning. Where is the wrapper? Is it just on the floor next to your teapot, the front room? Hello, auntie. Where are your vegetable peels? And the leftover of your green leafy vegetables? Hello, my dear adult. You had a nice Coke in the can. Where have you placed that Coke can? Did you throw like a cricket ball onto the road? My dear students, parents, teachers, and all the well-wishers, welcome back to another interesting and at the same time, we need to be responsible about this issue. Being the citizen of India, being the citizen of world, it is our responsibility. What is our responsibility? Everything has its place. Everything has its own place except for the trash. You look around, you find the piece of papers here and there, piece of chocolate wrappers in your office, some here, some there. You do have your trash cans. You do have your dustbins. You have the different bins for different waste. Do we walk there and put it in the right cans? Wet waste and dry waste? You go on the road, look around. You see lot of waste. Not in its place, but scattered everywhere. When we go into any of the public places, railway platforms, bus stands, just walk out of your house. See near the gate, who threw that waste? Is it your neighbor or you? From our place to our next child place, you throw the dust. You sharpen in the next person's place. The kind of pencil sharp what you do, it is spoiling their seat. When you're traveling, you eat a wafer. Where do you throw the wrapper? You eat a banana. Where do you throw that skin of the banana? Recently I was just traveling. Just in front of my vehicle, a high-end vehicle, speedily going. But I have seen the used water bottle and peels of oranges were thrown from the window of that beautiful high-end car onto that express highway. What a shame. What a shame for all of us. To keep your car neat and clean, you ate in the car, you have drunk the water in the car. To keep that empty water bottle, a disposable bottle in a cover, when you go nearby place, in a trash can you can place, we just throw on our roads. Is this the responsibility towards our mission, Clean India? We think Clean India, a big word for most of us, we think like that. Clean India, clean me, clean I, that makes Clean India. We need to clean the things which we are around. Our own space, our own car. To keep your car neat, you throw on the road. Is it Clean India? We eat and we throw in the train. We eat and throw in the bus. What are the bags we carry to our shops, disposable, plastic. Where is the land to dispose all this waste? Is the earth expanding? Our India borders, are they expanding? Our city borders, are they expanding? Where are we dumping this trash? Are we segregating the biodegradable, non-degradable, waste, dry, wet? That is the first step to clean India. First step to clean India. Pick your own trash. Put in the trash can properly. Wet separate, dry separate. Don't throw away everything. Reuse, recycle. That's why use the recycle properties. Use the glass bottles instead of synthetic plastic. Use cloth bags, paper bags, where the paper is recycled, not plastic. You use one-time plastic and then throw away. Most of our beautiful places are polluted with this. A step towards clean India is segregating our trash in a proper way. Show the trash its place. It can't be everywhere where we are. It has to be in its place. It has to be in the trash cans, not on the roads, not in the office spaces, not in the classrooms, not in the playgrounds, not in the railway platforms and bus stations. Because in India we don't have any kind of penalization, any kind of the imposing of penalties. We behave as we like. Just one day if you take the broom, sweep and take a nice video and make it viral, or take a nice picture and say that clean India, green India, Swachh Bharat, is that okay? It's an everyday. Make this not a once in a lifetime work. Make trash segregation, disposing the waste as a habit. It is not an event, it is a habit. Habit formation is important. It starts from home. Where you dispose things starts from home. And I encourage, use recycling products. Your cycle got repaired. A small thing, maybe a brake has to be placed, or a wire, brake wire, or what do? We go, we fix, we repair. Likewise, smaller things, try repair. Instead of consuming, let us fix and repair, so that lot of waste can be avoided. Learn this. Show the trash its proper place, where it's supposed to be, because everything has its own place. A gateman has his place, teacher has her place, student has his place. Why trash doesn't have a proper place? Why you find bits of papers everywhere? Why do you find chocolate wrappers everywhere? Why do you find plastic bags everywhere? Don't they have their place? We should show the right place. The trash has to be in its place. You have to make it as a habit. Clearing and segregating trash is not a big event. It is a daily habit. It is our routine. We need to do this. And encourage using the recycling products. And water bottles, glass, wash and use. Cloth bags, wash and use. Why? The paper waste is thrown and burnt, adding air pollution. send that to recycling unit. The paper can be recycled. Don't burn them. Don't discard them. And at the same time, let us fix and repair the broken things rather than discard and consume the new product. This technology made things easier. With one click of the smart gadget, you get the new product at home. We are dumping the whole earth, our own land, with lots of waste because of this. This is one important aspect. Now it's a beautiful festival, the world festival, Diwali. Every part of the world celebrate this with beautiful crackers, lights, lamps. My dear students, parents, teachers, St. John's community, feel responsible. Make sure that your neighbor is not an old citizen. They may not tolerate the high sounds. They may not tolerate so much of smoke and noise. Let us lit up the lamps. Let us use the beautiful ones which are non-polluting. And after that, nicely you set, clean and put in the trash can. Every year we know how the air quality drops down after Diwali night. How long it takes for us to learn these lessons of life? Let us show the trash, the waste, its place. Let us take up Clean India not as an event but as a habit. It is our responsibility, each and everyone's responsibility, to make sure that the trash has to reach its place. Take care, be blessed.